Velocity of pointer should be equal to V2, no? What is the method here? So that they say okay, let me take some constraint equation. Let me take this as a reference point. I do have things, you know. So what is the displacement of block A? So it's given by I'll movable points. Can you remember? I told you you have to take help of movable points here. So this is 3 kg. So how many movable points are there? So movable points. So here this pulley and this pulley are movable. The displacement of this pulley should be the displacement of block A. Am I right? And the displacement of this pulley should be the displacement of block B. So I'll give the name PA and PB. So shall we define like this? XPA and XPB. And this part of string will remain constant. This part of string will remain constant. So what is the length of the rope? Let's write constant equation. So this should be the XPB, XPB, XPB. Try to see this. This will be how much length? XPB, XPB, and XPB. What about this? XPA, XPA. So what should be the constant equation? 2XPA plus 3XPB equal to length. This part of length of the rope remains constant. You need not to bother during the motion. So this will be constant. This will be constant. So we are defining change in length of the rope. So where the length of the rope will change? Here, these two segments. Here again, these three segments. So this should be 2 VPA plus 3 VPB equals 0. Or you can write it as 2 VA plus VB. So velocity of point VPA should be equal to VA. Velocity of pulley VPB should be equal to VB, that one. I'll differentiate further. 2A plus 3AB equal to 0. In terms of magnitude, 2A equal to 3AB. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go for tension. So what about the tension here? Tension T. So how much of tension here? 2T. Then what is the equations of motion will be? F minus 3T should be equal to MB into AB. Similarly, what is the force acting on the block A? 2T should be equal to MA into A. How many unknowns are there? Acceleration of block B, block A, and tension. And there's a one constant equation. Okay, got this idea? So different ways will come. It's not that all the time one pulley, two blocks will be there. So it can be of any situation. I can bring now more number of pulleys here. You should define which part of the string is which part, which segment of string there's a change in length of that, and how the change in length of different parts of string, how they're related to displacement of block. This is what the constraint equation. Are you getting all of you? How change in length of different parts of string are related to displacement of block. This particular thing is what you should relate. I'm once again putting what is the core idea, how the change in length of different parts of a string are related to displacement of block. Overall length of the string remains same. Now some students are asking, sir, shall I consider this length of string? No, there'll be constant, no? So what about this part of the length of the string? That will be constant. So what is this? This will indicate change in length. If you differentiate, no, the change in length will come. How the change in length are related to velocity? That's what the equation, second equation, we brought it. Got it? This. So you have to just analyze here things logically. Okay, do calculation later on. I'll proceed to next question.